High-speed NVMe SSDs deliver incredible performance, but managing heat is essential to keep them running at their best. NVMe SSD heatsinks are designed to reduce temperatures, prevent throttling, and extend drive lifespan without adding complexity. Here are the best 5 NVMe SSD heatsinks that combine cooling efficiency, smart design, and reliable performance for any build. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Arctic M2 Pro SSD Heatsink. This cleverly engineered cooler adds substantial thermal mass to pull heat away from critical components like the controller and NAND chips, rapidly dispersing it into the surrounding air for noticeably cooler operation, even under heavy loads. The result feels transformative, as thermal throttling becomes a rare concern, letting your drive deliver peak read and write performance without faltering during intensive tasks. Installation proves remarkably straightforward and frustration-free, thanks to a smart click mechanism that secures the SSD firmly between two heatsink plates without needing screws, clips, or rubber bands. Designed to accommodate both single-sided and double-sided modules, it adapts perfectly to varying component heights with the included premium TP3 thermal pads, which conform softly yet conduct heat efficiently for optimal contact across uneven surfaces. Handling the pads feels intuitive, as their excellent workability makes application clean and precise, while the overall assembly snaps together in moments. PlayStation 5 owners especially appreciate how this heatsink meets Sony's exact requirements for expanded storage, fitting seamlessly into the PS5 or PS5 Slim expansion slot to keep added SSDs running cool during extended play sessions with demanding titles. PC builders and console modders alike discover reliable temperature management that extends drive longevity and maintains responsiveness, turning potential bottlenecks into non-issues. The thoughtful combination of passive cooling prowess, universal compatibility, and tool-free design elevates everyday computing and gaming experiences, making high-speed storage feel truly unrestricted. Whether upgrading a desktop rig, enhancing a laptop, or boosting console capacity, this heatsink delivers quiet, effective thermal control that lets hardware shine at its best without compromise. Pros: efficient cooling, easy installation, PS5 compatible, versatile fit. Cons: added height, black only. Number 4. Rager RA180 SSD Heatsink. This ultra-slim heatsink measures just 5mm overall, with an incredibly thin pure copper sheet at its core for rapid heat absorption, paired seamlessly with a durable aluminum alloy body and pre-applied high-quality thermal grease for maximum transfer efficiency. The unique airflow stripe design channels heat away aggressively, dropping temperatures by 10 to 30 degrees Celsius, even during prolonged high-load scenarios, keeping throttling at bay and sustaining peak performance effortlessly. Installation becomes a joy rather than a chore, thanks to the innovative tool-free clip-on mechanism. A sturdy stainless steel U-shaped frame gently but firmly secures everything in place with a simple snap, eliminating fiddly screws or alignment worries. Smart dual-slot positioning adds brilliant flexibility. Choose the lower slot for double-sided SSDs where components populate both faces, or the upper slot for single-sided drives to optimize contact and cooling precisely where needed. The robust construction withstands daily handling while maintaining a lightweight profile that disappears once installed. PlayStation 5 enthusiasts find particular delight in how effortlessly it meets Sony's strict expansion requirements, transforming added storage into a cool-running powerhouse for loading massive game worlds instantly. Many ITX builders rejoice at reclaiming precious millimeters in dense layouts, allowing aggressive SSDs to run full throttle without thermal compromises that could choke bandwidth or shorten lifespan. The combination of premium materials, thoughtful engineering, and universal compatibility turns potential overheating headaches into forgotten concerns. Whether pushing boundaries in compact gaming rigs or ensuring reliable operation in space-constrained systems, this heatsink delivers discreet yet powerful thermal management that enhances every aspect of high-speed storage. Creators and gamers alike experience smoother workflows and uninterrupted sessions, proving that effective cooling can be both elegantly simple and profoundly impactful in modern builds. Pros: ultra-thin, tool-free install, flexible slots, strong cooling. Cons: limited height, clip durability. Number 3. Jeyi Q80 SSD Heatsink. Imagine transforming your scorching hot M.2 2280 NVMe SSD into a cool, composed performer by enveloping it in an aggressively efficient heatsink crafted from dozens of pure copper fins locked within a precision-machined aluminum frame. This heavyweight cooling champion boasts an astonishing 50 finely spaced copper fins, each engineered with exceptional 401 W-meter per Kelvin thermal conductivity to pull heat away from power-hungry chips at an incredible rate. The vastly increased surface area, 20 times greater than typical M.2 coolers, turns passive airflow into a relentless heat-dissipating force, perfect for taming the intense thermal output of flagship drives like Samsung's PCIe 4.0 980 Pro or 970 EVO Pro during sustained high-speed workloads. The full CNC-cut aluminum frame not only delivers stunning visual appeal with its flawless edges and robust structure, but also provides rock-solid mounting that aligns perfectly with standard 2280 specifications. Installation feels reassuringly secure yet forgiving, thanks to adjustable screw positions that avoid stressing delicate SSD components and 3 soft thermal pads that conform beautifully for optimal contact across controller, NAND, and DRAM heights. Every detail screams premium engineering, from the dense copper array that maximizes conduction to the thoughtful inclusion of extra pads and screws for hassle-free setup. Desktop warriors pushing 4K video editing, massive game loads, or heavy data crunching discover dramatically lower temperatures that prevent throttling and extend drive lifespan without adding fans or noise. The passive design thrives in any case with decent airflow, turning potential thermal bottlenecks into forgotten worries while maintaining silence and efficiency. Overclockers and enthusiasts chasing every last megabyte of bandwidth find this heatsink unlocks consistent peak performance where lesser coolers falter. Whether building a screaming fast workstation or upgrading a high-end gaming rig, this copper-finned beast delivers uncompromising cooling power wrapped in elegant, durable construction. The marriage of superior materials, intelligent thermal engineering, and precise fit creates a cooling solution that doesn't just manage heat, it dominates it, letting your SSD breathe easy and perform at its absolute best. Pros: superior conductivity, massive surface, premium build, perfect fit. Cons: added weight, higher cost. Number 2. Teucer M.2-6 SSD Heatsink. Imagine clamping a brilliantly engineered passive cooler onto your M.2 2280 NVMe SSD that harnesses the superior thermal properties of pure copper fins grouped in 4 distinct boxes, all secured within a sturdy aluminum frame for maximum heat extraction and dissipation. This innovative design prioritizes longitudinal surface area to dramatically increase airflow contact, pulling intense heat away from power-hungry controllers and NAND chips far more effectively than flat or simple fin arrangements. The result transforms scorching drives into reliably cool performers, preventing thermal throttling during prolonged high-speed transfers, 4K editing marathons, or demanding gaming loads that push PCIe 4.0 and 5.0 SSDs to their limits. Crafted with premium materials, the copper fin clusters excel at rapid conduction, while the aluminum frame provides rigid support and additional radiative cooling, creating a synergistic passive system that thrives in cases with natural convection. Included high-quality thermal pads ensure perfect conformity to single or double-sided modules, bridging any height variances for uniform contact and efficient transfer without gaps or hotspots. Installation feels secure and straightforward, with the compact dimensions allowing fitment in most motherboards without interfering with nearby slots or tall RAM. Enthusiasts building silent, high-performance rigs discover sustained peak speeds and extended drive longevity as temperatures stay comfortably low even under stress. The thoughtful layout of those 4 copper fin sections optimizes exposure to moving air, turning modest case airflow into powerful cooling potential that rivals bulkier solutions. Whether upgrading a workstation for heavy workloads or ensuring a gaming PC runs whisper quiet without compromise, this heatsink delivers impressive thermal dominance in an elegant, understated package. Overclockers and power users pushing boundaries find particular excitement in how it tames heat monsters like high-end Samsung or WD Black drives, maintaining boost clocks longer and unlocking consistent real-world bandwidth. The blend of copper's elite conductivity, expansive fin geometry, and durable framing makes everyday storage feel unrestricted and future-proof against rising power demands. Pros: copper fins, longitudinal cooling, aluminum frame, thermal pads. Cons: low height. Number 1, and the winner is Coolleo HR09 SSD Heatsink. This imposing yet elegant design stands tall at 43 millimeters, creating a chimney effect that leverages natural case airflow to evacuate heat aggressively, keeping even the hottest PCIe 4.0 or 5.0 drives far below throttling thresholds during relentless workloads like massive file transfers, 4K rendering, or intense gaming sessions. The combination of copper heat pipe technology and precisely spaced fins maximizes surface area for passive dissipation, while the sturdy aluminum construction weighs in at a reassuring 65 grams, ensuring stable mounting without excessive flex on the drive. Backed by an impressive 6-year warranty, it speaks to durable engineering crafted for long-term reliability in demanding builds where SSD longevity matters. Installation integrates smoothly with standard M.2 slots, sandwiching single or double-sided modules effectively to pull heat from both faces. Power users pushing flagship drives discover sustained peak speeds that lesser flat heatsinks simply can't match, as the vertical orientation and heat pipe magic transform thermal bottlenecks into cool, consistent performance. The sleek black electroplated finish adds a premium aesthetic touch that elevates open-air or windowed cases, blending formidable cooling prowess with visual appeal. Whether taming a scorching Samsung 990 Pro or ensuring a WD Black SN850X runs unrestricted, this heatsink delivers dramatic temperature drops that protect data integrity and extend component life. Enthusiasts building high airflow rigs find particular thrill in how it dominates passive cooling charts, rivaling much bulkier competitors while maintaining silence and efficiency. The thoughtful fusion of proven heat pipe design, reflow precision, and generous fin count creates an exciting upgrade that unlocks the true potential of modern NVMe storage without noise or complexity. Pros: heat pipe, tower design, reflow welding, strong cooling. Cons: tall height. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.